Hello friends, welcome to Joyful IT Consultant YouTube channel. Alright, today I am going to build my first ASP.NET Core web application using Visual Studio 2019 developer version. I'm going to use default scaffolding structure so that we can see the first application fast, and we will explore. All right, let's get it started. All right, I'm going to launch my Visual Studio. Here we go, and I'm going to create a new project here, and ASP.NET Core Web Application. That's right, and C Sharp. So next, and here I'm going to say uh, first ASP.NET Core Web App. So the next page in this wizard was asking me whether to go with empty or web API, and so here the web application by default selected, and here I don't need configure, I don't need HTTPS, so I'll go simple HTTP, and here we go. The application is getting created. All right, here we go. Our solution with the project is launched, and let's understand the solution structure. So we got a solution file created. Under solution we got one project got created. So yeah, see this in earlier ASP.NET, if we want to edit a project file, we have to right click and say edit. But here, soon as I click this project, select this one, soon as I select the project, see this project is visible. The project file is visible, so which is cs uh, proj extension. All right, so now let's let's understand the folder structure. So folder structure under this project, so if you see, there is section called connector service. So basically it is meant for any database connections, and WCF services, web services, any such connections that is needed by this particular application to contact with. So right now we don't have any connection services, so it is a just standalone simple web application. That's why we don't see anything. All right, so and also we have some dependencies folder, under which we have packages, SDKs, everything needed for this project. So this is just a dependency folder, and we have properties folder. Under properties folder, there is a launch settings.json, which is a configuration file, and we have this configuration file here under properties, and we will go through one by one later, but the idea of this video is to go through our first project and see, and to have a glance at how this project looks like, the folder structure, and minimum details. All right, so here we go. The properties has a launch settings.json configuration file, and we have www root folder, and that has basically all resource files needed for this project, like CSS, images, JavaScript, and libraries, etc., icon, etc. So www root has all resources needed for this project. If we want to add new image, we will add that to this folder. Yeah, next we have something called pages. So pages means this is basically HTML that we see from our web application, and under pages folder we have shared and some CHTML files. The shared means the files will be shared across the pages in the application. So, and we have also at root level of the project, we have app settings.json configuration file, and we have program.cs. This is where the execution of the entire program starts with. So if you look at the program.cs, we have main method. So it says basically ASP.NET Core Web Application is actually a console application. It starts with console application, then this line here create web hoster builder. This line creates a web host builder class object. Then that object will be used to launch this application, to host this web application. So interesting. And we have startup.cs where we configure things like services, middleware services. We add middleware services under config services, just like this. And we have config method where we set to use the configurations. So that is it. So this is our first project. Let me build this to let me build this. All right. So build is successful. Let me run and see how it looks like. All right. So this is the simple web application using ASP.NET Core. All right. So that is it for this session, guys. So we will go through this each sections in upcoming videos. So for now, we are good with today's episode. All right, friends. If you like this video, please click that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Joyful IT Consultant. See you.